How to use English Class Honest Review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. English Class is a popular platform for learning English, but beginners often make mistakes that slow progress or waste subscription time. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not following a structured plan. Most people get this wrong by skipping lessons randomly. Start with the recommended learning path based on your level to build grammar, vocabulary, and listening skills efficiently. Second mistake, ignoring audio and video content. You won't believe how many learners focus only on text. Listening to native speakers is crucial for pronunciation and comprehension. Repeat phrases allow to reinforce learning. Third mistake, neglecting practice outside the app. The surprising truth is immersion matters. Use English Class lessons alongside reading, writing, and speaking practice in real life for faster progress. Fourth mistake, not reviewing previous lessons. Many beginners skip reviews. Regularly revisiting older lessons strengthens memory and helps you retain vocabulary and grammar structures. Finally, overlooking community and notes is common. Engage with forums, track notes, and ask questions to clarify doubts and enrich your learning experience. By following a structured plan, using audio-video content, practicing beyond the app, reviewing past lessons, and engaging with the community, you can use English Class effectively. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your English learning journey will be more efficient, enjoyable, and rewarding.